Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix the battery drain on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! There are a couple of things you can do in order to extend the battery life of your device. The very first one is, no surprises, but battery life. We can go to settings. Wait, did I say battery life? I meant battery saver. If you want to go into settings, we want to go into battery and performance, and in here you can go to current mode, from balance to battery saver. This will change up a few settings. Mostly it will limit the CPU speed, it will limit the refresh speed, and maybe it will also limit the amount of stuff you can have in the background. As you can see, it didn't extend it very dramatically, but hey, 4 hours is 4 hours of usage. However, we can take it even further. Let's leave the battery settings. Let's scroll up and let's go into display. In here, we want to switch to dark mode. Because most screens nowadays are OLED screens, this means that they need more energy to display brighter pixels. So if we have more darker pixels on a screen, this means that our battery should be safer and won't need as much usage to just display your screen. Then we also have the simple disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or GPS when you're not using it. It's pretty obvious nowadays, but I know many people who are not really know about this, even though the Wi-Fi itself is the thing that usually eats up the most of the energy. And this is because, well, constant uploading, constant usage, especially with all the social media apps that you might have on your device. That's a lot. So we can simply just, expand our control center and just disable all of that. Now, I'm not entirely sure if you should really disable the location itself, because location tends to be pretty useful with some sort of Google services, but if you want to, you can always delete that too. Sorry, not delete that, just disable that for a moment. And lastly, we can simply check for our update software. We can do that by simply scrolling all the way down, heading into, I believe, additional settings. And actually, I was mistaken. I think that's on the top. Into security status, security update. We can check the security update like this, but you will notice that the latest update is from pretty while ago. But yeah, we can head into About Phone and simply check if we have the newest Android version, which we should have. But note that there is very high chance that this phone won't receive any meaningful updates. But yeah, those things should help you with your battery drain. However, if you are still encountering some issues, there is a high chance that this is just because the phone is getting a little bit old. And as last resort option, you can perform a factory reset. You can do that by heading to your settings, heading to About Phone, and going into factory reset here at the bottom. This is a last resort option because it will delete everything from your device, but in result it might be just a little bit more faster and just a little bit less battery drainy thanks to that. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.